Introduction. Start with an introduction that outlines your channel's purpose. Explain why you decided to create a YouTube channel and what kind of content you plan to produce. Channel description. Write a detailed description of your channel. This should include the type of content you'll be creating, your target audience, and what makes your channel unique. Content strategy. Discuss your content strategy. This could include the frequency of your uploads, the length of your videos, and the themes or topics you'll cover. Marketing and promotion. Explain how you plan to market and promote your channel. This could include social media promotion, collaborations with other YouTubers, and any advertising strategies you plan to use. Monetization strategy. If you plan to monetize your channel, describe your strategy. This could include ad revenue, sponsored content, merchandise sales, or crowdfunding. Goals and objectives. Outline your goals and objectives for your channel. This could include subscriber count goals, views goals, or broader objectives like building a community or promoting a cause. Conclusion. Wrap up your summary with a conclusion that reiterates your channel's purpose and your excitement to start this journey.